Welcome back to RV Road Report, your go-to hub for all things rugged, road-ready, and rolling in style. If you're passionate about off-grid living, van life freedom, and exploring the world from the comfort of your wheels, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into something bold, bright, and absolutely built for adventure, the Chevy Express Camper Van Motorhome. Dressed in a head-turning, vibrant yellow, this beast packs 4x4 wheels, a rugged long body, and is ready to conquer any terrain. Strap in, folks, because this tour is going to be one wild ride. Let's get started. Exterior front view. Let's kick things off with the front exterior view of this Chevy masterpiece. Standing tall at the official Chevy showroom. That vibrant yellow bodywork isn't just for show. It's made to stand out on the road and in the wild. The bold Chevy logo sits proudly on the front grille, flanked by powerful headlamps that promise clear vision even on foggy forest trails. The aerodynamic design, muscular build, and elevated ground clearance make this van not just a vehicle, but bold statement in motion. You're not just traveling, you're arriving in style. Top side view. Now, let's take things from the top. Literally, the top side view of the Chevy Express Camper Van is a showcase of smart engineering. Mounted solar panels keep your energy flowing for lighting, appliances, and devices, no matter how remote your destination. An adjustable signal antenna ensures connectivity, whether you're checking maps or uploading your latest adventure vlog. And to top it all off, a sleek rooftop air conditioning unit ensures the interior stays cool and comfy, even in desert heat. From above, it's clear this van is built for off-grid excellence. Backside view. Moving around to the rear, this van continues to impress with thoughtful utility. Mounted on the back door, you'll find a full-size spare tire, always ready for action if the trail gets tough. Just below, a sturdy cycle carrier is carefully fixed, perfect for hauling your mountain bike or electric scooter wherever the road ends and the trail begins. The rear doors open wide for easy access, and the bold yellow finish continues to turn heads. It's not just a back end, it's a launch pad for your next adventure. Side view. Now check out the side view, and you'll see where comfort meets nature. This Chevy Express isn't just about the drive. It's about the stop. A retractable tent awning unfolds effortlessly to create a shaded outdoor lounge. Whether you're parking by the lake or setting up at a forest edge, this feature transforms your van into a full outdoor suite. Throw down a couple of chairs, fire up a portable grill, and watch the sunset in comfort. This is more than travel. It's living the van life dream, one stop at a time. Driving compartment. Step inside where the journey truly begins. The driving compartment. This is your command center. 2 LED screens dominate the dash, one dedicated to navigation infotainment, the other showing a live rear-view camera feed, making every reverse smooth and safe. The leather driver and passenger seats are fully adjustable and ergonomically designed for long hauls. Add in a panoramic front windshield, tactile controls, and smart storage, and you've got a cockpit ready to cross continents. Driving the Chevy Express isn't just easy, it's an experience. Sitting and sleeping area. Right behind the cockpit. Step into the sitting and sleeping zone, your mini living room on wheels. During the day, the plush sofa seating is perfect for working, reading, or relaxing with a view. But as night falls, this area transforms into a full-size bed, soft, cozy, and ideal for 2 adults. With ambient lighting, under-seat storage, and blackout curtains, this space is optimized for both productivity and rest. Whether you're taking a power nap or dreaming under the stars, this van has you covered. Kitchen. What's van life without good food? The kitchen area in this Chevy Express Camper Van may be compact, but it's packed with features. You've got a dual-burner gas stove, a stainless steel sink, and a compact mini fridge to keep your perishables fresh. Upper cabinets and lower drawers give you enough space for cookware, spices, and dry goods. Plus, there's a small prep counter for chopping veggies or brewing your morning coffee. It's not just functional. It's stylish, clean, and ready to cook up road trip memories. Washroom. Yes, it has a washroom. And not just any washroom. Despite the compact size, the Chevy Express Camper Van features a well-designed wet bath with a toilet, foldable sink, and a mini shower, all in one smart layout. Wall-mounted hooks, towel racks, and a ventilation skylight add to the efficiency and freshness of the space. A sliding waterproof door ensures privacy and keeps things tidy. It's the perfect solution for life on the move, proving that small can be both functional and fabulous. And that wraps up our tour of the Chevy Express camper van motorhome, a vibrant yellow road warrior that delivers rugged power, luxury comfort, and tech-forward design, all wrapped in a 4x4 ready body. Whether you're chasing the horizon or setting up camp under the stars, this van is everything you need and more. And the best part? It's all yours for just $65,000, an unbeatable value for what you're getting. Got questions or thoughts? Drop them in the comments. And you know what to do. Force them to like, share, subscribe, and comment. Until next time, stay wild and keep rolling with RV Road Report.